Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a young girl named Emily. She had a heart as pure as the morning dew and a curious spirit that sparked with every new discovery. One day, while exploring the nearby forest, Emily stumbled upon a mysterious old book tucked away beneath the moss-covered stone. With trembling hands, she opened its withered pages, revealing a world of enchantment and adventure. As Emily delved into the book's magical tales, she became captivated by the stories of far-off lands, brave heroes, and mythical creatures. The more she read, the more her imagination soared, painting vivid pictures in her mind. Intrigued and yearning for her own adventure, Emily embarked on a quest to bring these stories to life. Armed with a satchel filled with provisions and the book as her guide, she set off into the unknown. Her journey took her through dense forests, across sparkling rivers, and over towering mountains. Along the way, she encountered kind-hearted strangers who offered guidance and shared their own tales of courage. Emily's path led her to a forgotten castle hidden deep within an ancient forest. Inside, she discovered a dormant magical portal, waiting for someone worthy to awaken its powers. With her unwavering belief in the extraordinary, Emily channeled her courage and activated the portal. In an instant, she found herself transported to a realm where dreams and reality intertwined. The world she had read about in the book materialized before her eyes. Lush landscapes, soaring dragons, and mythical beings stood as testament to her imagination's incredible power. Embracing her newfound role as the hero of her own story, Emily embarked on a series of quests, facing challenges and overcoming obstacles with determination and kindness. Along the way, she made lifelong friends and learned valuable lessons about love, bravery, and the strength of the human spirit. As years passed, Emily returned to her village, where she shared her adventures and the wisdom she had gained. Inspired by her courage and the power of storytelling, the village thrived as the residents pursued their dreams and celebrated the magic that resided within each of them. And so, Emily's story became legend, passed down through generations, reminding all who heard it of the boundless possibilities that exist within the pages of a book and the depths of their own hearts.